Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete some of the storage or gigabytes that are taking up room on your iMac. As you can see here, I've got 454 gigs being used on my 500 gig iMac. And if you look at my iCloud drive right there, 320 gigs of it are being used. So I'm going to show you guys how to clear that up so that way you can free up a lot of room. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over here to your corner and click on Apple ID, and it shows your name there. Okay, and then when you do, you're going to want to come over here next to iCloud. Okay, and then right there in the center of your screen, it says apps using iCloud. You're going to want to go ahead and click on iCloud Drive right there. Okay, now it brings up this box here. And by default, right here where it says sync your Mac, it's toggled on. So what you're going to want to do is toggle that off, and then it'll say if you turn off iCloud Drive, all documents stored in iCloud will be removed from this Mac. So they'll still be in the iCloud Drive, but they won't be on this Mac. So it's okay to do that. So just click on remove from my Mac. It'll start doing its thing. Okay, now it might take a little bit to offload all that storage, but as you can see, now my gigabytes are only 152 being used on this 500 gig iMac. And that's how you fix iCloud taking up storage on your iMac.